Hi Aquarius, welcome to your September 2020 reading. Please remember that this is a general reading, so take from it what you can and leave the rest for others. Also look at your moon and your rising on my channel for clarity. The roles can be reversed and time is fluid. So let's begin. What are the overall energies for Aquarius for the month of September? For Aquarius, please, we have two cards, the Six of Air, Five of Earth. All right. For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius, we have the Two of Air. See? Aquarius, I feel like some kind of energy, worry, or heaviness is lifting from your head here. Something is looking up. Like a difficult situation is reaching its end. Okay. You're, however, facing a lot of, worries around money, employment, work, job, business. You somewhere, I feel that you're not ready to arrive at a decision. So Two of Air is like the Two of Swords in the Rider-Waite deck, and the Five of Pentacles. We have the Five of Pentacles. You definitely are facing a difficult situation, and I feel that some of you are facing in with regards to your health, and some of you are feeling that pinch monetarily. Okay, Ten of Cups, not bad. Then we have the High Priestess. What do we have for Aquarius? What do we have for Aquarius? Aquarius, I feel like there are quite a few things happening in your life here with regards to work, money, family life. You're either hiding something from the family or something is being hidden from you. There's something to do with a relationship that either is, you're either trying to hide a relationship or someone is trying to do that from you. I feel that there are a lot of conflicts going on in your mind with regards to the same. I also feel that you're going to manifest the outcome here, Aquarius. You're so puzzled right now, you're going to manifest the outcome. But not with the energy of Ten of Swans, Ten of Wands. Ten of Wands says that you are so mentally burdened right now, even if you want to, you don't know which direction or which thought to manifest. I have the Eight of Pentacles. I definitely see something working out or something going forward and working with regards to your work. I feel that, there could be new opportunities coming in, or something that was stagnant a little while earlier could begin to move right now, or could begin to give you ideas or signs that it's going to be fruitful in the coming times. See, I spoke about things moving, and we have the Six of Swords here. So you are manifesting something that was burdening you, your mind in the past, and you are manifesting a solution. That solution is like the aha moment for you with the Eight of Pentacles, and then that's the motivation you're receiving in your mind, and that gets you going. Where are you going? You are reaching the stage of Nine of Pentacles, Aquarius. This is looking much better because you started out at the Five of Pentacles and you are going towards Nine of Pentacles. This is definitely progress. What else do we have for Aquarius? For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius, please. We have the Queen of Cups. You're finally taking charge of your life, Aquarius. And I also feel that this is either someone's advice or of divine feminine. Now, divine feminine does not have to be a woman. Divine feminine can manifest in the body or incarnate in the body of a man too. But this is the energy I'm talking about. And that's why I keep saying in my cards, I don't attach genders to my cards. So I feel that you are claiming your power here, Aquarius, and you are taking charge of your life, which is what is helping you move on from a past situation, a relationship, or a monetary situation where you were stuck. We have the card of take a moment, and we also have the card of self sabotage. Which one do you want me to read first? I'll go with self sabotage. So, when you learn to get out of your own way, there will be no stopping you. Most of the time, it's not others who prevent you from achieving your true goals. It's that inner voice that derails those carefully woven plans. Yeah, I need my spectacles now. These writings are so tiny. So, you see, I have been telling you with the card of the magician, you want to manifest something in your life, but you are standing in your own way with the Ten of Wands. You don't know which direction or what thought to manifest, what intention to manifest. But then you're quickly arriving at that point too, where that lack of clarity disappears for you. Remember, we had the Two of Air. Two of Air is like the Two of Swords in the Rider-Waite deck. So this was the lack of clarity you had, but you are moving away from this, and this is probably happening in the third week of September for you. Well, where you were self-sabotaging yourself, and now you're able to move on and away from that. Focus on one intent and manifest that. You're taking your power back here. The other card says, take a moment, stop. Now is not the time to rush into decision you're about to make. Before this important decision is made, take a moment to pause and quiet your mind so that you can ask your soul for guidance before you act or move forward. So you see how this energy is flowing into her head. This is like this decision that you were arriving at, that I said you weren't so sure of in the beginning and the middle of the month. You are arriving at this because of the higher guidance you are receiving through intuitive levels, intuitive sources. But again, now is not the time to go all out, because you remember you were here, you wanted to, but you didn't know what. So you're still not 100% sure what you want to manifest, and that is why the movement has begun, but you still need to make up your plans very carefully. Why don't you write it down, Aquarius? Write down what your intentions are, what you want to manifest in life, or where you want to see yourself in life, and then take it from there. Because the entire month of September, I see confusion, a little lack of planning, and then planning to an extent. It's all talking about reorganizing yourself, and then from there moving forward in the new direction, because the energies in the month of September are going to help you make you plans properly, so that that's what you act upon in the coming times. And September is a pivotal month in this entire year 2020, that's giving you an opportunity to reshape your future. How do you want to take it forward? That's what I have for you for now, Aquarius. To comment in the comment section below and let me know how these energies are playing with you. But I wish you all the best. And let me leave you with a card from the angels. For Aquarius, please. For Aquarius. For Aquarius. We have spread your wings. Do not hold back right now. The timing is perfect and you're ready. So this is a little contradictory. Your timing is ready to plan, but to take things forward, you'll have to wait a little bit, a little longer. So it's not too much of a wait. First plan and then you spread your wings. That's what I'm getting for you. All right, you guys, thank you for joining me here. And remember to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Until we meet again, bye bye.